The Galaxy S25 Edge, yeah, that sleek, ultra-thin flagship everyone's been hyped about, has been making waves lately. First, we thought it was launching on April 15. Then came the plot twist. Samsung hit pause on the big reveal. And now turns out the delay might be more serious than we originally thought. According to the folks over at WinFuture, who are apparently pretty plugged in, this delay was a last-minute call. The reason? Some mysterious technical issues that need further testing. Sounds vague. Totally. But it's enough to push the release to May or maybe even June. The good news. That gives Samsung some breathing room to sort out whatever's going wrong behind the scenes. Interestingly, early reports from Korea insisted it wasn't a quality issue. So maybe nothing's blowing up or falling apart, but something clearly wasn't ready for showtime. Meanwhile, let's talk about pricing. WinFuture also dropped the price tags for the S25 Edge in Europe, and yeah, it's not exactly budget-friendly. In Germany, you're looking at €1,249 for the 12 gigs RAM and 256 gigs storage, while €1,369 for the 12 gigs and 512 gigs version. In Spain and Italy, add an extra €10. Not huge, but still. Stack that against the rest of the S25 lineup, and the Edge sits right in the middle, between the S25 Plus and the Ultra. So if Samsung plays the same game in the US, we're probably talking a $1,149 price tag. Not cheap, but hey, flagship phones rarely are these days. Specs-wise, this thing sounds like a beast. A 6.7-inch OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and up to 2600 nits brightness, a 200-megapixel main camera paired with a 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite under the hood with up to 12 gigs of RAM. Powering it all is a 3900 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging, plus Samsung's Galaxy Eye features baked in. Honestly, it's shaping up to be a powerhouse, but only if Samsung gets the bugs squashed in time. So what do you think about that price point? Too steep? Just right for what you're getting? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think. Catch you in the next one, and until then, take care.